All right, welcome back. Now we're going to actually see an implementation of this sequence-to-sequence model, right, which we got introduced to in our previous tutorial. All right, so we have a couple of code over here which I want us to walk through and then see how this sequence-to-sequence model is actually doing. So at the end of the day, what we want to do is to be able to do language translation like this. Okay, so for instance, we have the word go, and then it's being translated to French over here, right? So I mean, hi translated, right? Something like that. Okay. All right. So for instance, if I pick, say, salute, that's in French. Okay. So that's in French. So if I put salute over here, see that it's translated to hi, and that's exactly what we are doing. Okay. That's exactly what we are doing. All right. So if I pick, let's say go, right? So let's pick this one and then put it over here, right? You see that it's there, right? So I mean, that's exactly what we want to do. So that go translation is also confirming the sameness. So it's actually working very fine. And that's what we want to do in this particular, hands-on lab session. All right, so let's get started and then get familiar with what is here. All right.